busy time, I think. Cars everywhere. Fox. Front. They're not good in crowds, I've noticed. What did the cheesecake guy do?
He got to the Bangkok taxi, but he probably tried to tell him where to go. Then he was like very bossy,
Rude.
very rude.
Don Mueang.
It's quite crazy town, but not too bad.
Different to Chiang Mai.
ขึ้นทางด่วนไหมเนาะ
โอ้ย
ฮะ
ได้ครับ เร็วกว่าไหมครับ หรือว่ามันจะติดเหมือนกัน
ติดมากแถวสนามหลวงใช่ไหมเนี่ย
ครับใช่
ถ้าเตียนเดี๋ยววัดโพ
ได้ครับ
ตรงโน้นก็ได้ตรงนี้
เ
We're checking in to Sala Arun. Checking the bathroom first. It's not too bad. And then
Have a look.
bedroom. But I like this. But it was there. You can see everything else too. Wow, different weather. That's really beautiful. So we got Wat Arun over this side. Having a light show.
Beautiful. Oh, they have the light show down there too.
Oh wow. Oh, I think they have like light show festival on Chao Phraya the whole December. Wow.
At the back. That's Watpo, Grand Palace,
And everything. Wow. Next door.
Very good.
It's now the 4th of December. 4th of December. We're in Bangkok.
Last night.
Yeah, we fly out tomorrow afternoon.
Yeah.
So this is our last night and our last supper, which is
Somtum
and it's very nice actually. It's very nice. Yeah. And it's a Michelin star place. Somtum. Oh, there's one in Tokyo, Taipei, Bangkok, and New York. Maybe. That's what the posters say. But we've got some crispy chicken and pork coming. And that's a thing. Haven't had many beers this time, but that's been quite nice. I must say. Don't need beer to have a good time. Watpo at night time. That's the Royal Palace.
Look at the peacock.
So much detail, eh? You reckon it's new?
Yeah.
Been renovated?
The way clean.
stupas, all the Rama's ashes, right?
Yeah. How many? 1, 2, 3.
I thought there was 7.
Not everyone's in there.
The water's so close.
Oh my god.
This one's wet.
It's a lot of water. Wanna buy things again.
Smell that.